So when somebody says we are going to change the culture to change is the culture of the world. Because if you are to change the culture, you need to understand which culture do you want to imbibe? Which culture do you want to change? Is it the culture that we are praising God and we are carrying ourselves in? Is that a culture? Can you have the opportunity to be sitting next to the Lord on his throne and you are phoning with your phone? You are phoning with your phone and you are chatting before him who sits on the throne. The person that if he speaks, there will be thunder. So you want to chat before that person? You can't change the culture of heaven because innovation has no place in heaven. There is nothing to improve. You can't improve God. You can't improve on the order of heaven. It is you that you must learn now to adjust, to imbibe the culture of heaven.